Jeffree Star lip products. Which one's best? Today I'm trying out the new Supreme Gloss. If you're not already a subscriber, could you please hit that subscribe button right now and the bell notifications? Thanks so much. Also, I'd really appreciate it if you could give this video a thumbs up. Guess what came in the mail yesterday? That's right, I bought 3 shades of Jeffree Star's new Supreme Gloss. Can't wait to try this out. One main question, how does this compare to Jeffree's previous formulas? 1, how does it compare to the original gloss formula? And 2, how does it compare to Velour Liquid Lips? Well, I'm going to test both and let you know. But today, I'm going to start off by doing my lips, and I'm going to be using the color Teabag, and I'm going to start with the liner in the shade Androgyny. So, first of all, let me get out my liner and my mirror. Go over the outer edge of my lips. Okay. Now this is the one called Teabag. Look at the pretty packaging. It's very slender, beautiful, shiny pale pink with the Jeffree Star embossed on it. And it's sort of a deep grayish nude. This is the new little applicator. A lot of emphasis on what this sort of resembles, but let me just see how it works. I kind of like the way the applicator, it sort of folds around your lip. It's definitely a full color coverage, a nice amount of shine, and it feels soft and moist. The matte Velour lips, I usually have to put a little bit of gloss on top in order to keep it from looking dry. This applicator actually, it makes it very easy to go on to get the equal amount of coverage on all parts of your lips, and to direct it, or the tip is sort of really good for staying inside the lines. Yeah, I'm liking this a lot. The color's a little bolder, a little darker than what I usually wear, but I like it. As I'm not yet on his PR list, I have to pay for everything I get, so I just picked 3 colors. I picked colors that I did not already have in the Velour Liquid Lip or in the Velvet Traps, because I wanted to try different colors. As far as this goes today, I'm really liking it. I'm glad I bought this shade, and I'm glad I bought this formula. Good morning, everyone. Today is my second look using Jeffree Star Supreme Gloss. Today I'm going to be using the shade called House Tour. And I'm going to start off with the liner, and the liner I'm using with this is Scorpio. Let me get the old kitty mirror out and start with the liner. Okay, I use this liner to kind of define the outline of my lips. Now I'm taking this gloss, Supreme Gloss by Jeffree Star. Look at the beautiful tube. And House Tour. This is a new color for this particular collection. And this is, again, the applicator. This is a really pretty color. Really nice nude. Notice it goes on full pigment, and it's nice and shiny, very moist, doesn't feel drying at all. Yeah, I'm really liking this. Today I'm going to use the Jeffree Star Supreme Gloss shade called Please Forgive Me. And I'm going to start by lining with the shade called Calabasas. Let me get out my mirror. Okay, it's my liner. Now this is the Please Forgive Me shade. This applicator actually kind of cradles your lips as you apply. This color is a bit pinker, a bit bolder than I normally wear, but I like it. And I do really like this applicator. A lot has been said about what it looks like, but what it does, it actually cradles your lip, and the point makes it really easy to get into corners. So I am liking the applicator as well as the formula. So this is Please Forgive Me in the Jeffree Star formulas. Like I said, the three I have are Please Forgive Me, Teabag, and House Tour. There are a total of 28 shades available. There's a box set that I think is something like $450 of all 28. But as I'm buying them myself, paying for them myself, I decided to pick three. And I like the three that I got. Now the next question is, how does it stack up with other Jeffree Star lip products? How does the Supreme Gloss stack up with the regular gloss and also with the Velour Liquid Lip? Well, I'm going to show you right now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do a swatch on my arm. This is the Supreme Gloss in the shade House Tour. And let's take it and swat it right here. Okay. Actually, let me spread it out a little bit. So you can see this is the Supreme Gloss in House Tour. Now I'm going to take the Velour Liquid Lip, and this is Christmas Cookie, which is a similar color. And we'll put that right next to it. And as you can see, the pigmentation is very close. The colors are very similar. As it dries, the Velour Liquid Lip dries into a matte. The Supreme Gloss dries into a nice shiny gloss. And then if you take the regular gloss, here's the regular gloss in sequin glass, and you put that next to it. It's much sheerer and it has more of a metallic, sparkly finish to it. I have another regular gloss I'm going to try as well. This one does not have the metallic sparkles. This is the shade called Control Freak, and it's just a pink, but it's very much lighter, much sheerer. So what the Supreme Gloss does is basically takes the pigmentation of the Velour Liquid Lip and adds the shine of the Supreme Gloss. I haven't seen any that have the sort of sequin effects in the Supreme Gloss, so if you want that, you could easily like top it with one of the regular glosses. Like for example, let me try putting a little bit of this. I think mine's dry enough for me to do this. I'm going to put a little bit of the sequin glass on top of what I'm wearing. And you see, that adds a little bit of the metallic shimmer. And I find I do that a lot when I wear the Velour Liquid Lips, because that matte tends to be a little bit dry since my natural lip texture is dry. So the Supreme Gloss, I love it. It's a one-step thing. I just put a little liner, a little bit of gloss, well, really 2 steps, but that's it. I'm done. With the Velour Liquid Lip, I usually feel like I have to do a gloss or something on top of it. So yeah, I love the formula. How does it wear? Well, yesterday I put it on in the morning. I went out, I wore a mask, and the gloss was still there. Then I went and ate a sandwich, a big sandwich, and that, you know, kind of messed it up a bit. So, but again, I think they would do that with any lip product. But overall, it held up for several hours, wearing a mask, driving, being out, and it was very rainy yesterday, being out in weather, and it held up fine. So yeah, I really like this formula. I recommend getting it. It's $20 per tube, but it does, like I said, it is sort of double duty. It is like a lip color and a lip gloss all in one. And Jeffree's formulas are always on spot, so, and this is no exception. So yeah, Supreme Gloss gets the thumbs up. Is there a product or a brand you'd like for me to review? If so, I'd love to hear from you. Please leave a comment down below. I'm always looking for new ideas. Thanks for watching. Have a fabulous day. Peace, love, and light.